Good morning, students. Everyone, very good morning. Yes. I'm audible, students. Okay, I'm visible. Right. Okay. Okay, so last class, which topic is going? Array insertion, deletion completed. Huh? Okay, today we are going to discuss the most important thing. Online students, I'm audible. Right. Okay, today we are going to discuss one of the important example. That is nothing but selection sort. Okay, now our concept selection sort. Now how the selection sort is going to be work. For example, here I'm going to take some elements. Now array index number as usual 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here array size A variable name. And here elements are like this 9, 3, 5, 1. Now we are having 4 elements. Tell me guys, these elements are in a order? Right now these elements are in any order? No. Okay, right now we are not having the elements in order. Means right now they are not in ascending or. Now I want to keep these elements in ascending or descending order. Okay, I want to put these elements in ascending or descending order. Now actually putting the elements in ascending or descending order is called sorting. First of all, sort means what? Arranging the array elements in ascending or descending order. Okay, that is nothing but sorting mechanism. That's why first of all we are going to discuss about what is meant by sort. Arranging array elements in ascending or descending order is called sort. Next, and here so many sorting mechanisms are there, and one of the select model is selection sort. Okay, now we are going to discuss about selection sort mechanism. How the selection sort going to be work? Everyone take a look on this. How this selection sort going to, I'm going to explain, say this. In selection sort, what is going to be happen means every left element compared with all the right elements. Every left element compared with all the right. That means 0 checked with first 1. Same 0 checked with 2. And same 0 checked with 3. Okay. In this mechanism, the least element pushed to the left side. For example, 9 greater than 3. 3 least 1. 3 arranged in left side. Later 3 and 5, no change. But 3 and 1, again 1 is the smallest element. No? Now the 1 arranged in first position. Later second element third, second element fourth. Like this. And now like this all the elements one by one checked. Later 1 checked with 2 and 1 checked with 3. And finally it is checked with 2 with 3. And now tell me guys, 0 checked with what? 1, 2, 3. And 1 checked with 2, 3. And 2 checked with. This mechanism is called selection sort. This is called selection sort. And now how to make the elements in ascending order using selection order. Okay. First I want to explain, say this. And here original elements are 9, 3, 5, 1. First the sorting is going to like this. 9 and 3, change required or not? First 3, later 9, later 5, later 1. Okay. Next 3 and 5, change required? No. But 3 and 1, 1, 9, 5, 3. Now can I say 1 is the least element in the array? It is first arranged. Okay. Later 9 and 5. Change required or not required? Yes, change required. Then we are going to arrange these two elements. Here 5 is coming and here 9 is going. Next 5 and 3. Again change required. No? Now this time here 3 is coming and here 5 is going. Can I say 3 is the second least element? And finally this one. Okay. 1395. Now 5 replaced, 9 replaced. Now tell me guys, all the elements are in ascending order. Now all the elements 1, 3, 5 are ascending order or not? And this mechanism is called a selection sort mechanism. It is called a selection sort. Next, now how the selection sort is going here? See this. First I am going to take I variable. I means just assume left side variable. And now J. J is nothing but right side variable. Now here how the process going, say this. First we are checking 0 with what guys? 1, 2, 3 no? 0 checked with 1, 2, 3. Later 1 checked with 2, 3. And later 2 checked with. That's all. Program completed now. See that very clear. 0 checked with 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0 with 1, 2, 3. Later 1 with 2, 3. And finally 2 with 3. It is the mechanism behind this. Okay. And now this mechanism is called selection sort mechanism. And now how this working, I want to explain, say this. Okay. Now I'm going for the program guys. Watch it carefully. First, these are the elements guys. 9, 3. First logic starting like this. For loop. And I value, see that starting 0 or not. I value starting with. And last see that I less than or equal to n minus 2. Actually this array size is what guys? 4. Okay. This actual original array size 4. Now tell me guys, here I value starting 0 but closing at 2 or not. Now 4 minus 2. That's why I'm going to take n minus 2. Okay. Because of last I value 2. Is it clear everyone? It is the first important thing in selection sort. I plus plus. Okay. Now it is completed. Now second loop guys. And just watch it. This time J value. J, see that guys. I plus 1. Why? Because J equal to I plus 1. Tell me guys. 0 checked with what? 1. Now I value 0 now. When I value 0, J value is what? 1 or not? When I value 1, J value is what? 2. When I value 2, J value. That means J value always 1 bigger than the I value. When I value 0, J value 1. Difference is how much? And when I value 1, J value 2. Again difference 1. And when I value 2, J value 3. That means J value always 1 bigger than the I value. Okay. And next, J less than or equal to n minus 1. Why? Because I value stopped at 2. But J value stopped at 3. See that? That means n minus 1. No? 4 minus 1 is what guys? 3. That means your program going to stop at 3. Next J plus plus. First, these are the important things. Remaining program automatically completed. First, this one understood guys? Why J equal to I plus 1? Because of J value always 1 bigger than the I value. That's why J equal to I plus 1. When I value stopped at 2, J should be 1 bigger than the I know. That's why I'm going to stop J value at 3. That's why I value 3, J value. I value 2, J value 3. Now small condition. A of I less than A of J. Meaning very clear. I means left or right? I means left or right? Left. J means And now left side value smaller than right side value. But actually, we need what? Ascending order or descending right now? Ascending. Actually, our requirement is ascend. Ascending means small to bigger, no? Then condition changed like this. If a of I greater than a of j. Tell me I means what? Left. J mean left side value bigger than the right side. But actually left side bigger required or smaller required. Then interchange the I and j values. Then left side small, right side. See that? I'm changing the values. Temp equal to. Temp is a local variable. A of I. A of I equal to A of j. And A of j equal to temp. Swap. Okay. Swapping technique I'm using. Your program finish. That's all. Your program finished, guys. And now watch it. How this program finished. Everyone take a look on this. Your program finished or not, I'm going to explain. Okay. How this example finished, see that. Tell me guys, I value starting 0. I value 0. And j equal to I plus 1. Okay. J equal to what? I plus 1. That means j value 1. No? And now a of 0 greater than a of 1. Actually, a of 0 means 9. And a of 1 means 3. 9 greater than 3. Yes. Condition true. 9 bigger than 3. Condition true. When condition true, now the 9 stored in temporary. That means 9 pushed into temporary variable. Now temp becomes 9. Sorry. 9. Later, a of 0 equal to a of 1. That means 9 replaced with 3. And later a of 1 equal to temp. Now 1 means 3. 3 replaced with means first element swapping completed. 3 replaced with 9. 9 replaced with swap completed or not. And later j plus plus. J value becomes 2. Now 0 and 2. In 0, which element is there now? In 0, which element is there right now? 3. And in 2, which element is there? 5. 3 greater than 5. No chance. Later j plus plus. J value becomes 3. Now 0 and 3. In 0, 3 is there. In 3, 1 is there, no? And now 3 greater than 1. Yes, condition true. Now 3 goes to here, no? And 1 comes to here. I think it is the first smallest element in the array. 1 is the first smallest element in the array. Yes. Later ij value plus plus. J value reached 4. But 4 less than or equal to 3. Condition false, no? When false, I plus plus. Now I value becomes 1 and j equal to I plus 1. 1 and 2 checked. 9 greater than 5. Yes. Now here 5 coming. Here 9. Next j plus plus 2. Now 1 and 3. 5 greater than 3. Again true. Then here 5 is going. And here 3 is coming. Can I say second smallest element? Okay. Now j value reached 4. 4 less than 4 condition false. When condition false, I plus plus. I value becomes 2. And j equal to I plus 1 no? Means 3. 2 and 3. 9 greater than 5. Yes. Now both are interchanged. Here 5. Here 9. At last, now j value goes to 4. 4 less than 4. And I plus plus 3. 3 less than 2. Total loop stopped or not? When your total loop stopped, elements are 1, 3, 5, 9. The elements are in ascending order. That's all. This mechanism is called selection sort mechanism. What it is called? Okay. Everybody take a look on this. Our program working properly or not? Now we are going to take some elements: n variable, I variable, j variable, and temporary variable. First, read the array size. Enter array size 1 to 10. Scan f percentage d ampersand n. Now it is indicating the array size, guys. Okay. Now we have to enter the array size. Suppose array size 5 or 4, what it may be. Now we have to enter that number of elements. Enter percentage d integers, comma n. Okay. Now suppose n value 4, then answer enter 4 integers now. Now we have to enter in how many integers? 4 integers in our program. Then say that for loop I value 0, I less than n time, I plus plus, scanf completed, ampersand of I. Now this loop repeating how many times? 4 times, and the 4 values scanned or not? Means scanf completed. Now we have to arrange these elements in ascending order. Then watch it. For I equal to 0, I less than or equal to n minus 2, I plus plus. Letter same. J value equal to always I plus 1, j less than or equal to n minus 1. Now small condition. If a of I bigger than a of j, only one thing, guys. I means left, j means right. Left side value bigger than right side, swap. That's all. That means left side small one coming and right side big one going. Okay, that's all. Then temp equal to a of I, a of I equal to a of j, a of j equal to temp. Now printf elements. I less than n, I plus plus, percentage 4d, a of I. Okay, watch it, guys. Enter array size 4. Same values I am going to enter. Okay, first 9, 3, 5, 1. See that, guys? The elements are in ascending order. 1, 3, 5, 9. The elements are in ascending order or not? Yes. Now it is the program and it is the practical proof. Okay. And this one is the explanation. Okay. Mr. Abhishek Sharma. Okay, no problem. Listen then. Okay, guys, 1 minute, everybody listen. I value starting is what, guys? 0. Watch it, everyone. Here, I value starting 0 and j value is what, guys? 1. I value starting 0, j value 1. Now we are checking a of 0 element with a of 1. Actually, original element is what? In 0, 9. And here, 3. Now 9 greater than 3. Condition true, no? Okay. When condition true, a of 0 element. A of 0 element means 9 stored in temp. Next, a of 0 equal to a of 1. Actually, a of 1 means nothing but now these 3 going to store in a of 0. That means 3 coming here. Later, a of j. J value is what? 1. Temporary value is what? 9. Now 9 is coming to a of j. That means a of 0 filled with what? 3. A of 1 filled with. Now there is a clarity, Mr. Abhishek Sharma. ओके देखो लास्ट आई वैल्यू कहाँ तक, आई वैल्यू कहाँ तक चल गया 2 and original n value is what 4, 4 minus 2, that's why n minus 2. Okay, because of you are searching last this one with this one means last searching value this one, that's why value stopped at 4 minus 2. Okay, right. It is how the selection sort mechanism works, guys. And now watch it. This time I'm entering 8 elements. Enter 8 integers 5, 9, 0, minus 5, here 9, and again here 7, here 9, and here 2. See that 9 I have entered 3 times now, and negative numbers also there. Okay, okay, minus 2 is there. See that, guys, minus 5, minus 2, 0, 5, 7, 999. Right answer. All the elements are in ascending order again. Yes, it is how to make ascending order. Next, descending order, guys. Same program I want to arrange in descending order. Then how to arrange the elements in descending order? Okay, now see that, guys. Here a of I less than a of j, that's all. Now the meaning is what? Left side value smaller than the right side value. Okay, left side value smaller and right side value bigger. Now the bigger value push it to left side. That means on left side we are having big number and smaller value push it to right side. Means big to small. What we are calling it is descending order or not? Yes. Okay. Okay. Pavan Salve, don't think 4 minus 2 it is. I'm not putting 4 minus 2. N minus 2 it is. User entered 6 minus 2. Then up to 4 it is working. 7 minus 2. Up to 5 it is working. I'm not writing 4 minus 2. I'm using n minus 2. That is, it is dependent on the n value, not 4. Okay, Mr. Pawan Salve. Okay, guys, it is how to arrange the array elements in descending order. Okay, now watch it, guys. Enter array elements. Okay, Pawan Salve, एक बार देखो, आपने आंसर देखने के बाद भी क्वेश्चन पूछ गया. हाँ, previous example I have entered 8 elements. In 8 elements also it is working. You are not observing that carefully. Huh? एक बार देखो 7 elements. Okay, now 7, 9, 1, 0, minus 4, again 8, 7. Okay, how many elements are there, guys? How many elements are there? Now watch it. 9, 8, 7, 7, 1, 0, minus 4. I think descending order. That's all. Okay, like this, it is working on any number. It is how to make the descending order of array elements, guys. Next, it is nothing but selection sort mechanism. How the selection sort is going means it is the way. Next, bubble sort. Now I am going to explain the bubble sort mechanism. How the bubble sort is going to work. Okay, and just watch it, guys. How the bubble sort is working also, I am going to explain. Just watch it. First, what is called bubble sort? Why the name bubble sort is given to this concept? Take a look on this, guys. I'm going to explain the bubble sort mechanism. Okay, it is our original array with the elements 9, 3, 5, 1. That's all, guys. Now these are the original elements. Okay, 9 3 5 1. Okay, we are having totally how many elements? 4 elements, and the elements are 9 3 5. Now I am going to use bubble sort mechanism in this example. Now what is meant by bubble sort mechanism? Okay, now just watch it, guys. I'm giving simple example for like this. Easy to understood. Now say this. Okay, and now it is looking like what, guys? Okay, it is looking like what? Beaker. Your beaker. ठंडा ठंडा चिल्ड बीयर डालता ना. हाँ ओके बेकर. वो बेकर में ये क्या है? आइस क्यूब्स. आइस क्यूब से आइस तो बहुत ठंडा. चिल मजा आएगा ना. इसीलिए आइस क्यूब्स भी डाला. ओके, नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल इट इज नथिंग बट okay. And now see this, guys. Here some water is there and some bubbles formed, guys. How many bubbles are there here? 4 bubbles. And which bubble is going to float first, guys? The biggest one always going to float first, because of bubble means empty area. When more empty area is there, it is trying to come outside first. Okay, because of velocity problems. All these are. Yes or no? Okay, right. That's why the first this one is going to float. Remember, first this one is floated. Later this one is floated. Later this one is floated. And finally this one is floated. Same to same mechanism I'm going to use in this sorting. That's why this name is bubble sort mechanism. Okay, same technique I'm going to use in this mechanism. That's why it is called selection. That means what? In bubble sort, first biggest element is arranged in the array. In previous example, have you observed? No? Okay, that is first 1 arranged, finally 9 arranged. No? But here not like that. First 9 arranged, later 5 arranged, later 3, later 1. Quite opposite mechanism. Previous example 1 3 5 9, but this time 9 5 3 1. Opposite mechanism. Then how it is working? Just watch it, guys. Everybody take a look on this. How the bubble sort works. I'm going to explain. See this. In bubble sort, first 0 checked with 1. Okay. Later 1 checked with 2. Later 2 with 3. The meaning very clear. Means side by side cells compared. 0 with 1, 1 with 2, 2 with 3. Means there are side by side. But in previous example, 0 with 1, 2, 3, no? Means left element compared with all the right elements. But here not like that. Adjacent cells compared. Means side by side cells compared. Okay. When 0, 1 completed, later 0, 1 again with 1 and 1 with 2. And 3 not checked second time. Why? Because means already biggest element arranged. Okay. Already biggest element arranged. That's why it is not checking the 2. Okay. Next, this time what happened? First 0, 1 completed, 1, 2 completed. Later what happened? Okay. Now 0, 1. See that, guys? In previous example, what happened? 0 with 1, 0 with 2, 0 with 3. Am I right? Later watch that. 1 with 2, 1 with 3. Later watch that. 2 with 3. Means gradually left side reduced. See that? But this time right side reduced. See that? Why? Because I said no. In bubble sort, the first biggest element arranged. Means the last element first arranged. Later last but 1. Like that. Okay. That's why quite opposite mechanism to which one, guys? selection sort. Next, how this mechanism works. Everybody take a look on this. These are the original elements. 9351. Am I right? 9351. It is the original array. Later, now we are going to check the elements. First element is what? 9. 9 bigger than 3. Condition true. It is pushed to the right side. I said no. Right element first going to arrange, no? Means biggest element first arrange. That's why 3 and 5, 1. Okay. Next, 9 and 5 compared. 9 bigger than again 5, no? Then here 5 coming. Here 9. Finally 1. Next, again 9 and 1 compared. 9 bigger than, no? Then 1 and, can I say, it is the biggest element? And it is first arranged or not? Logic understood? Previous example, observe it. First, which element is arranged? Smallest element. Finally, biggest, no? Quite opposite or not? Okay. And now the 9 is arranged, na guys? Then we have to check the 9. No, that's why one cell reduced. See that? 3 not checked next time. Because of 3 is having already the biggest element, then there is no need to check. That's why -1. Okay. And later watch it, guys. Okay. 3 and 5, guys. Change required? No. But 5 and 1. Yes. Here 5, 1 is coming. Here. Now can I say 5 is the second biggest element? Okay. And final thing, 3 and 1. Change required now? Now 3 replaced with 1. 1 replaced with. Now tell me, guys. Sorting completed? Your sorting completed? Now 1, 3, 5, 9. All the elements are in ascending order or not? And this mechanism is called bubble sort mechanism. Okay. And now how the comparison going? Just watch it, guys. I'm going to explain the comparison also. I value and J value. Now I value starting 0. And now it is important. Okay, everybody listen. It is important. J value starting 0. And here 0 compared with what? 1. Later 1 with 2. Later 2 with 3. Now that's why they are following this technique. J comma J plus 1. That's all, guys. Tell me J value. 0. J plus 1. Next J value. J plus 1. Next J value. And J plus 1. I think meaning very clear. J compared with what? J plus 1. And next, same concept. Here we are going for 1. And again 0 compared with 1. 1 compared with later 2. Now 0 with 1. Finished. Your program finished. Okay. Because of loss in between 0 and 1. When 0, 1 completed means program completed. Now it is nothing but how the sorting is happened. Now can I say J is left and J plus 1 is the. Okay. It is, guys, bubble sort mechanism. Okay, this one is nothing but the bubble sort mechanism. Okay, now say this implementation part I am going for. Right. Now the procedure going to start. See that. As usual for loops, guys. First I value starting 0. I less than or equal to again n minus 2. Why? Because means I last value again 2 only, no? Again I value last 2. That's why 4 minus 2. 2 is enough, no? Next for it is important j equal to 0. See that j value 0 or not. Next, j less than or equal to, everybody observe it, n minus I minus 1. It is the most important rule. Okay, here j less than n minus I minus 1. Okay, why this n minus I minus 1 technique? Watch it carefully. For example, n value 4, no? Or 4 minus I minus 1. Now tell me 4 minus 0 minus 1. 3, no? Bolo ji. And okay, here actually less than 3. See that, everybody? Not less than or equal. Less than 3. Less than 3 means up to 2 only, no? Okay, give me answer. I think last j value 2, last j value later I plus plus, I value becomes 4 minus 1 minus 1, 2, but less than 2, that is nothing but 1. Am I right? I think last j value 1, check karo. And later yeah, I plus plus, I value 2. 4 minus 2 minus 1. 1, na? Say yes or no? But less than 1. Last j value. It is the logic. It is the logic. Why? Because when I value incremented, gradually j decremented. Logic simple, man. First, when first round completed, first last element arranged, no? Next time we have to check this number or not. Second time this number not required, no? That means when I value gradually incremented, j value gradually decremented now, guys. It is the technique behind this program. Okay, moreover nothing is there. That's why I'm taking this technique. Okay, due to this advantage is what means time complexity. Your time saved. Already first which element is arranged? 3 now. Next time checking of 3 is useless or not, because of already it is arranged. That means time waste or not checking. That's why I'm taking this logic. Okay, and now watch it, guys, how to make this example. Now after the program, now easily the program completed. See this, easy to understood also. J plus plus. Next, watch it, guys. There is a small condition. If a of j greater than j plus 1. Okay, I said now j and j plus 1. J and j plus means j and j plus 1 means adjacent cells. Always side by side cells. When j value 0, j plus 1, 1. When j value 1, j plus 1, 2. And 2, 3. Side by side coming or not? Now same procedure. Temp equal to a of j. A of j equal to j plus 1 and a of j plus 1 equal to temp. It's over. Your program completed. Okay. Now your program finish. That's all, guys. It is the logic behind this program. And now take a look on this, guys. I'm going to explain about it. Right. Okay. And now tell me, guys, n minus I minus 1 and 4 minus 0 minus 1. That is up to 3 only, no? But actually program repeating up to less than 3 now. Okay, less than 3 means up to 2 only, no? Okay, and now started. See that, guys, I value starting 0, no? Next j value starting 0. Now 0 with what, guys? 0 plus 1, no? J with J plus 1. Tell me, guys, J value 0. 0 plus 1. 0, 1 में क्या है? 9 and 3. 9 bigger than 3. Yes. Okay. Then 3 coming. And here 9 going. Next. J plus plus. J value becomes 1 now. Now 1 with J plus 1. 2. Now tell me 1 and 2. 9, 5. 9 bigger than 5. Again true. Now here 5 and here 9. Next, J plus plus. J value 2 and J plus 1 3. 9 greater than 1. Yes. Again condition true. And here which one is coming? 1. And finally here 9 is stored or not? I think the first element, which one? Biggest element or not? 9 is the biggest element in the array. It is arranged first or not? Yes. Later, now listen interesting thing. Now listen interesting thing. J plus plus. J plus plus means J value becomes 3. J becomes 3. But 3 less than 3. Condition. That means loop stopped or not? Okay. When loop stopped, already the biggest element arranged or not? Okay. I plus plus 1. I plus plus means 1. And again J value 0. Okay. Next. N minus I minus 1. 4 minus 1 minus 1. Answer 2 no? Okay. Now J value again 0. J plus 1 means 1. 0 with 1. In 0 which element? 3. 3 greater than 5. No chance. Later 1 with 2. 1 with 2 means 5 greater than 1. Yes. Condition true. Now here 1 is coming now. Come on. And here I think second biggest element. Okay. Now J plus plus. Listen carefully. J plus plus. J value becomes 2 no? Now 2 less than 2. Loop stopped or not? Means one time saved or not? Previous one up to 3 repeated. This time up to 2 only repeated. Because of last shell not checked. Already it is arranged. Next I plus plus. I value becomes 2. And again J value 0. Now 4 minus 2 minus 1. Answer 1. And now 0 and 1 checked. 0 and 1, 3 and 1. Condition true no? When condition true, 3 replaced with 1 and 1 replaced with. I think all the elements are in ascending order. Now J plus plus. J value becomes 1. Now 1 less than 1. Condition. Now program goes to I plus plus. I value becomes 3. 3 less than 2. Condition. False now, guys. Your loop automatically. When loop stopped, all the elements are in ascending order. It is called bubble sort mechanism. This one is called bubble sort mechanism. Okay. In this way, the bubble sort is working. Just check it out, guys. Same program, I less than, but J value starting. J less than N minus I minus 1. And checking you have J with and you have J equal to here and J equal to J plus 1 and J plus 1 equal to 10. Watch it. Enter array size 4. 9, 3, 1, 5, 5, 1, 9, 3, 5, 1. Okay. These are the original elements, I think. Yes or no? Descending order. I have not changed less than symbol. No? Can I say descending order? Now watch it. Here I am putting greater than symbol. Ascending order. Okay, 9, 3, 5, 1. Okay, guys, just watch it. Right answer? That's all. It is called bubble sort. And this one is the output of this program. Okay, like this, you can enter any number of elements. Okay, now the descending order, and here in place of greater than, less than. Enter array size 7 elements. 7 integers are 9, 23, minus 5, 7. Okay, now for example, again 9, and here minus 2, here 0, and here 12, 11 something. Okay, now watch it. The elements are in descending order or not? 23, 99, 7, 0, minus 2, minus 5. Okay, that's all. Okay, I have entered 8 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, array size 7, but I have entered 8. That's why 8th element not taken. That's all. Okay. Okay, guys, it is how the bubble sort. Like that, we are having different sorting mechanisms. Okay, insertion sort is there, merge sort is there, quick sort is there, heap sort also there. Okay, but when you are attending data structure class, all these sorting mechanisms they are going to explain. Okay, generally in C language, we are going to discuss only one sort, but I have given how many sortings? It is enough. And to know the remaining sortings, you have to attend the data structure class. Okay. Now it is nothing but sorting mechanisms, guys. Now we are moving to the two-dimensional arrays. We have discussed so many examples on one-dimensional array. It is what I am saying also. First of all, why they have introduced these coins? Why they have given this kind of sorting mechanisms? How many sorting mechanisms? 6 I said. Means 6 are there. Okay. Why? Because all are doing the same thing now. Anna, bolo ji. And then why they have introduced time complexity? When you are attending data structure, all these time complexity programs, binary searching mechanisms, all these are discussed. Okay. Right, guys. Now the topic is two-dimensional array. What is meant by two-dimensional array concept? Okay. Okay. Pavan Salve, write if condition. Huh? Write the if condition. Huh? If user entered 8, okay, check the difference and read that number also. Okay. That's all. You're having if conditions now. Okay, guys. Now the topic is two-dimensional array. What is meant by a two-dimensional array? Okay. What is called two-dimensional array? An array with several rows and several columns. The first important thing, an array which is having several rows and several columns is called two-dimensional array. Otherwise, an array with two subscripting operators means brackets. Okay, how many brackets? Yes, in one-dimensional array, how many brackets are there? But here, okay, the major difference between one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array is one-dimensional array consists of only one bracket and two-dimensional always containing. Yes. Next, it is okay. Implicit double point array. Two-dimensional array is also called. It is an implicit double pointer. Now, why it is called implicit double pointer? Everybody observe it carefully. Two-dimensional array architecture is important. Okay, how the two-dimensional array is called implicit double pointer. Just watch it. I'm declaring one array like this, int of 2, 3. Now, with elements like this, 1, 2, 3 or 10, 20, 30, what it may be, no problem. Elements are what it may be. Now, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. Now see these guys. 10, 20, 30, first row elements. 40, 50, 60, second row. How can you say means brackets are there now? This bracket indicate inner, okay, means one row. And the second inner bracket indicates second row. Okay, here first two is there now. These are the rows and three indicate columns. Now the meaning two rows with three columns. Okay, this line meaning is what? Two rows. This array containing two rows with three columns. That's why here totally 6 elements. Okay, it is able to store 6 elements. Now how the memory allocated for this array? Everybody observe it, guys. The memory allocation, it is the important thing. Just assume it is nothing but the stack. Okay, nothing but system stack, guys. Right, in stack, first how many rows are there, guys? 2 rows. Our array consists of 2 rows. Then declare 2 rows like this. Okay, and array variable name is what? Then it is going to be a of 0 and it is going to be a of 1. Now you are getting it out. Sir, a of 0, a of 1 kaise aaya? Okay, a of 0, a of 1 kaise? 1 minute, everybody. Observe it, guys. Very simple. Just watch it. Okay, for example, I am deleting this one, guys. Just assume. Okay, now tell me, can I say it is one dimensional array? Only int of 2. Int a of 2 means array variable name is what? A with how many cells? Then first cell number is what? That's all. It is the 0 cell. Second cell number is what? That's all. That's the first one is a of 0. Second one is nothing but a of 1 now. Is it clear now? How it is coming? Yes. Later what is happening? 3 columns. Now the meaning is what? Each row containing 3 columns. Each row containing 3 columns. Now tell me, guys, here 2 rows and 3 columns are not. Now can I say it is nothing but 0? Yes, it is nothing but, and it is nothing but. Then finally, can I conclude like this? Okay, finally, can I write like this? 0, comma 0. This cell number 0, 0 and this cell number 0, 1 means in 0 row first column. Okay, in 0 row second column, and later same to same 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay. Now there is a clear clarity, guys. Everyone. Now there is a clear clarity how the memory allocated. And that's why starting cell number 0, 0 row, 0 column. 0 row first, 0 row second. 1 0 1 1 1 2. And later the elements are going to store like this. Now the first element 10, second element 20. Now the third element 30. And here 40. Now 50, 60. Now there is a clear clarity, everyone. How the elements arranged in this array? Everyone, it is the memory allocation for two-dimensional array. But in real-time environment, the memory not allocated like this. You know that memory always arranged in the form of stacks. Okay, memory always arranged in the form of stack, and stack arrangement is byte by byte, byte by. But for easy understanding, I have given this one. Okay, and now can I say these are the rows, guys, and these are the columns or not? Next, another major important thing. Everybody watch it carefully. What I am saying. Right now, how many rows and columns are there? 2 rows and 3 columns now. Later, how the memory allocated. Listen carefully, everyone. Here, it is nothing but first row, first column address. 65,500. 65,502. Like this. The memory allocated. It is 504. And as usual, 65,506. 508. And 65,510. That's all. And how many bytes difference is this? 2. Why? Because integer array, no? It is integer array. Each integer required how many bytes? That's why 2 to 2 bytes I'm giving the difference. Got it, everyone? How many bytes difference I'm giving? 2 to 2. Okay. And now it is nothing but address, guys. These are nothing but what? Address. Okay. And now it is nothing but the address. Each cell address. Now the most important point is what? Okay. Now everybody observe it. It is nothing but the address. After allocating the memory like this, what is going to be happen? Most important thing now I am explaining. Can I say it is first cell address? It is the first row first cell address, which is called base address now. Come on, guys. That is going to store in A of 0, and this one is going to store in A of 1. Now tell me, actually in our example, A of 0, A of 1 is what? Actually in our example, A of 0, A of 1 is what? Rows are not. Tell me, guys, these rows are storing what? Address. These rows are storing the, when address is stored, it is called what? Pointer. When address is stored, it is called. But how to identify pointer? Star. But here star is there or not there? But working style is similar to implicit pointers. That's why we are calling implicit. Now one small doubt. Actually here variable name is what? Array variable name. A. Array variable name. A. And A is storing how many address? Right now A is storing how many address? I'm asking. 2 address. In A of 0, 1 address. In A of 1, 1 address. Means how many total? 2. Means 2 means more than 1. That's why implicit double pointer. That's it. Why two-dimensional array is called? It is implicit double point. Because of in two-dimensional array, the array variable always keeps more than 1 address. More than. I think very clear now. Why it is called implicit double pointer? Next. It is n by n matrix. It is a n by n matrix, guys. Can I say it is 2 by 3 matrix? The picture says it is a 2 by 3 matrix, na? 2 rows and now the 2 is nothing but n. 3 is nothing but n. That's why we are calling it is nothing but a n by n matrix also. Two-dimensional array always, okay, it is going to arrange like a n by n matrix. Next, watch it. Another important thing. This time I am going to say like this. It is array of array. Two-dimensional array is also called, it is array of. How can you say it is array of array? Okay, 1 minute, see that. Very simple technique. Tell me guys, up to this what it is? It is what guys? Array or not? One dimensional array? Yes or no? Now tell me guys, this one is it. Another array. What guys? It is one array, na? 2 indicates array. Then 3 indicating also. That means it is array of. Arrays are not. It is array with arrays are not. Yes. Okay. That's why we are calling like this also. Okay. What it is? That is, it is collection of one-dimensional arrays. 1 minute. Tell me guys. It is what? 1 minute. One-dimensional array. It is nothing but a. And then it is kya? One more one-dimensional array. It is already one-dimensional array now, and it is another one-dimensional array now. Means it is collection of one-dimensional arrays or not. That's why it is array of array concept. Okay, it is array of array because of it is collection of one-dimensional arrays. I think up to this clear. Up to this everyone, right? And syntax is what guys? Data type, letter, variable, first bracket always, second bracket, and in flower brackets you have to enter the elements. Okay guys, it is how this example works. Next, here one example also, see that. Suppose int a of 2 3 equal to 10 20 30 comma 40 50 60. That's all guys. Now actually outside bracket is there now, and that bracket is compulsory. That bracket is compulsory guys, but inner bracket is there now. One more bracket is there now. That bracket is not compulsory. It is purely optional part guys. Inner bracket optional, but outside bracket compulsory. Then why they are giving inner brackets? Why they have given inner brackets? That indicates these are the first row elements. Up to this bracket, all the element belongs to first row, and second bracket indicates their second row elements. Means to distinguish the elements, there where they are, means in which rows they are. Okay, to identify the rows we are using inner brackets. Otherwise inner bracket not compulsory. Remember this, inner brackets not compulsory. And why we need the inner bracket means they are identifying what? Rows. Only the rows. Moreover, nothing is there. Otherwise brackets are not compulsory. Next, but original memory allocation is what? I have given like a matrix now guys, 2 by 3 matrix now, but original memory allocation, how it is happening? Okay, and just take a look on this. It is the original memory allocation for this array. It is the memory allocation guys. Okay, how many cells created? 6 cells created now. Yes, now the memory allocation is like this. A of 1 2, that's all, which is going to store 60, address 65,000, 510, 520 or 510, 510. Next, it is nothing but A of 1 1, and 1 1 element is 50, and address 65,000, 508. Now it is nothing but 10 and value is nothing but 40 and address 506 and it is 504 and value 30 and here 02. It is the original memory allocation. Next, here you have 1 0 1. Now 0 1 element is nothing but 20 and here 502. Okay, and here 0 0. It is the original memory allocation and here element 10 and here 500. That's all guys. It is the original stack arrangement because of you know that in stack always the value stored in byte by byte or not. It is the original memory allocation, but for easy understanding I have given like this. Now I'm saying one thing guys. What is that? I'm saying one thing, only one thing. What is that guys? Two-dimensional array is implicit double pointer. Am I right? Two-dimensional array is implicit. Why? Because in two-dimensional array, always the rows are the pointers because of they're holding the address or not. And how to prove it practically? I want to prove it practically. Everyone, just take a look on this, guys. I want to prove this one practically. Just take a look on this. Right now, you have 2 and here 3. Same now, 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. Next, same elements I am going to enter 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Am I right? Next, here R comma C. That's all. R comma C means rows and columns. Watch it, guys. My explanation correct or not? Just watch it. Printf, you have 0 stored address. Unsigned integer, no? Because of address is always positive integer. And positive integers are called unsigned integer. And now you have 0. Later watch it, guys. You have 1 stored address equal to percentage, comma, you have 1. Watch it, guys. It is giving 6 difference or not? Everybody observe it, guys. Here, it is giving 6 difference or not? It is what, guys? 90. This one is what? In my explanation, it is what? 500. In my example, why not? Difference is how much? 6 or not? Because of 3 columns. 3 integer column required how many bytes? 6 bytes or not? That's why the difference also 6 bytes. Now watch it. Only small change. This time I'm giving floating array. Floating array. Now float required 4 bytes. No? Then 3 4s 12 no? Means the difference should be 12 bytes. See that, guys? 78 90. Difference 12 bytes or not? Yes. Next watch it. A character array. Now the difference should be only 3. Only 3 because of character need 1 byte. 3 character means. See that character or not? 96 99. Now there is a clear clarity. Okay. Based on this, you have 0, you have 1 storing what? Based on this example, you have 0 and you have 1 storing what? That means you have 0, you have 1 is what first thing? In our example, you have 0 and you have 1 is what? Rows. You have 0 and you have 1 are. That means rows are storing what? Address. When address stored, what we are calling? Pointer. Yes or no? And that's why it is implicit pointer. Okay. That's why it is called what? Implicit. That's all. And one address, more than one address. When more than one address is there, it is a double pointer. It is a double pointer. Okay. I think very clear it is. It is how the two-dimensional array working. Next, guys, how to print the or how to access the two-dimensional array elements. How the two-dimensional array elements working. Now watch it, everyone listen carefully. Suppose I want to print the 10. I want to print the 10. Then how to call 10? It is the solution. Okay, you have to call printf a of 0, 0. Print a of 0, 0, guys. Now the meaning, print the value at 0, 0 cell. Print the value of 0, 0 cell. But how it is working, it is important. Internally, what happening when we are calling a of 0, 0. Okay, listen carefully. It is another important thing. When you are calling a of 0, 0, first a of 0 responding. First a of 0 responding. That means a of 0 means nothing but 65,500. Because of a of 0, no? You have 0 value 65,000 plus. Now the column responding. Column number is what? 0 and integer size is responding. Okay. Now total answer 65,000. And actually printf meaning is what? Print. Very good. Now printf meaning value at 65,000. That is nothing but 10 or not. That's all, guys. It is how the two-dimensional array works. Okay. For example, this time you want to print the 60. You want to print the 60. Then can I write like this? Printf a of 1 to. Okay, guys. Now, as usual, first a of 1 is working. Now, a of 1 is nothing but 65,595. 6. Then 65,506 plus. Now column number working 2 into integer size 2. Then total answer 65,000. 510 now. Now the meaning very clear. Value at 65,000. That is nothing but 60 or not, guys. It is how the two-dimensional array internally working. Everybody clear? And that's why in two-dimensional array, first which one is working? Row. Always row is first working. Later column number is added. Okay. Now first row number working. Later column number what? It is, guys, how the two-dimensional array works in our programming. Okay. First I want to add up to the notes, guys. Later we are moving to the programs. Okay, right. And it is the original memory allocation. How it is working internally. Right. Up to this, everyone clear now? Right. Now I'm going to give, okay, first example, finding address of the rows. Okay, how to find the array address. Watch it, guys. It is the way to find the array address. Already it is there now. It is a of 0 stored address. It is a of 1 stored address now. Yes. Now it is the output. Okay. For example, okay, guys. Now this time, another example, finding array elements and address both. I want to find out the element and address both. It means which element stored at which address. Okay. And now see that, guys, small thing I'm going to change. Very small thing I'm going to change. R comma C. R comma C means rows and column. Now watch it. For R value 0. How many rows are there? That's all. Like same to same. C value also 0. How many columns are there? Now how many times it is repeated, guys? Totally 6 times. 2 into 3 now. Rows 2, columns 3. That means 2 into 3, 6 times. Okay. And now say this. I'm giving like this. A of 0, 0. Comma address. You have 0, 0's value, this one, and address is this one. See that what I am doing here? R comma C, yes, and A of RC and ampersand A of RC. That's all. It is your program. 1 minute, everyone. Take a look on this. Okay. Tell me, guys, R value, C value also. That means first percentage D replaced with R comma C means a 0, 0. Now meaning A of 0, 0 value. Now A of 0, 0 value. 10 printed no? Yes. Later address equal to ampersand. Ampersand means address or not. Now address of A of 0, 0. Like that, it is repeating totally how many times? 6 times or not? See that, guys. Now I think very clear. Very clear. Which value stored at which cell and which address, very clearly it is showing or not. Now the meaning 10 stored at which cell? 10 stored in which cell? 0, 0. And address is 94. Okay, character array. Now see that 10 stored at which address? 90 and okay, 20 stored at 92 and 30. Right answer? It is showing cell numbers, address, elements or not. At a time all the things are printed. It is how to find out the address, all these things. Okay. It is a program and it is the output of this program, guys. I think up to this clear? Right. And now see this, guys. Direct initialization of array elements. How to initialize the array elements directly. Same. Tell me in this example, any scanf function is there? No, there is no scanf function. We have entered the values directly now. And now I want to print. Right now we are printing actually 1 by 1 now. But I want to print just like a 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix shape is what? 2 rows and 3 columns now. I want to print like that. See that? Small change, very small change. Printf, yeah, percentage D. That's all. 4D gives what? And A of RC. That's all. Your program finish. And here, only one small change, /n. Okay. Suppose to avoid the confusion, I'm making more flexible. Now meaning very clear. Tell me column how many times repeated? 3 times now. Now the 3 values printed side by side now. When 3 times completed, /n means next row means the remaining 3 element printed in second row or not. That's all. Your program finish. Now close this bracket. So now how many rows? 2 rows. Each row containing 3 columns. Okay, 2 rows with 3 columns. Like this. And here you can print the heading also. Puts off elements are. Now see that very clear. Is it clear? And now can I say it is called direct initialization? Because of there is no scanf function. Next, one more important thing. In this example, inner bracket used or not used? Used now. Now I am not using the inner bracket. Okay. But again answer same to same. Elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Same to same. That means both are same. Okay. That means inner brackets not compulsory. Then why they have introduced inner brackets? Tomorrow I'm going to explain about it. Okay, I'm saying both are same. I'm saying both are same, but then why they have introduced that? Okay. Okay, guys. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the remaining examples. Okay. Until that, take care and bye bye.